Hello guys, and in today's video I will answer an interesting question. Can you make calls from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 without your phone? Let's find out. But firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, the answer is yes. Right now I got here my second phone on which I will try to call from my watch. I entered in number and now I will try to call, and let's see if the call will appear on the screen. And as you can see, the call have appeared on the screen of my second phone. That means that this feature is fully working and you can make calls without pulling out your phone. And also, if you don't have inserted SIM card on your phone, you can still make Wi-Fi calls, which make you sure that you stay connected even when your phone isn't nearby. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.